Hey, did you hear about what happened last night?
What do you mean, did something happen?
I just said that.
Oh, right.
Dude, something happened with me and I need to talk about it.
Go ahead, buddy. I've got a bit.
Great, but listen very carefully. Ryan, I've got a secret to tell you. No one can know that you know. Dude, I've got a secret to tell you.
That just reminds me about this thing I saw with Cam and Kelly.
What about Cam and Kelly?
Oh, shit.
Okay, whatever. Dude, I need you to actually be a good friend for a minute and keep a secret. Can you do that?
Trust me, Jack. I know. Things spread through this town like wildfire. It's hard to contain or put out. Like putting your thoughts through an amplifier or making a whisper a shout. Yes, things spread through this town like wildfire. So watch what comes out of your mouth. 'Cause once it's come, it's gone. But you'll see. Don't you worry, my friend. Nothing to fear, no one will hear. Your secret's safe with me.
Hey, Kelly, I've got something to tell you. It's not very easy for me to say. And hey, Kelly, I need to tell you. I've got to get it out before it's too late. I don't know what to do.
Hey, Cam, what's up? Whoa, hold on. What did Kelly tell you? Are you sure? Mia? Dude, that's crazy. Hold on, I'm getting another call.
Hey, did you hear about what Anna just said?
She told it to me.
Who got it from me?
Who said she got it from Ryan?
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan.
Ryan, I've got a secret to tell you. No one can know that you know. Dude, I've got a secret to tell you. I know. Things spread through this town like wildfire. It's hard to contain or put out. It's like putting your thoughts through an amplifier or making a whisper a shout. Yes, things spread through this town like wildfire. So watch what comes out of your mouth. 'Cause once it's come, it's gone.